Hello everyone, I'm Mike Muncy, here with Cooking with the Word. We're up here on Muncy Mountain. Guess what? We're outside today on the deck. Got a special treat for you. My best friend of 29 years this month, Sandy Anthony from Norfolk, West Virginia. Sandy, it's such a pleasure to have you today.
Appreciate it. Glad to be here, Mike.
Guess what we're going to make?
What's that?
Egg roll in a bowl right here on the Blackstone Grill. It's going to be amazing. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, yes.
This is going to be absolutely great. Stay tuned for egg roll in a bowl. Guess what? Keto friendly, healthy, and so delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start out with 1 pound of burger. 14 ounces of diced cabbage. You can actually also buy a coleslaw mix. And I love carrots, so I put a few carrots in it. For that, we're going to put down a little bit of oil. That looks successful already, don't it? We got all that cooked in together. Okay, we're going to get the burger started here.
How much you need, 4?
I always stirred in together. Look at that. That looks good, don't it? I'll spread it out a little bit so it gets some even heat. Sandy, you see how good that's cooking in together there?
Oh, yes.
We'll get the burger done, then we'll just incorporate it all together. If you like egg rolls at a Chinese restaurant, this is what it's going to be without the outside eggy breading. We'll get all this mixed in together. It's going to be much more healthier this way. Starting to look good in it.
Oh, yes, it is.
Okay, I believe the burger's about ready to just put it all together. If that don't make you hungry right there now. We'll let that just cook just a little bit. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of new onions or green onions. We'll put that in. Mix that all in together. Would you look at that? Seems like, Sandy, that God just knows who to bring together, and God put you in my life just when I needed a good friend and someone to be there for me, help me raise my boys, and always be there when I needed a good friend. And I really appreciate all that you've done and the way different things you taught me on cooking.
Well, that's what good friends are supposed to do, supposed to help each other.
You've definitely been an uncle to my sons. brother-in-law to my wife. Look at that, that's looking good right there. We'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. That's 3 teaspoons. Get that stirred into it. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Get that all mixed in good. I'm going to add a teaspoon of creamy sriracha sauce. Just to give it a little bit of heat there. It don't take much. Get that added in.
Egg roll in the bowl. Turned out perfect. Can't get no better than that.
I'd like to thank everybody for joining us on Cooking with the Word, making egg roll in the bowl. And hope you do it. Like us, share us, let everyone know just how good this is. This is absolutely one of the best things you've ever ate. It tastes just like eating egg rolls at your local Chinese restaurant. So like us, share us, and give it a try.